It was Jimmy Narain, and thank you so much for taking this course. I'm really glad that you embarked on this journey with me, and I really hope that these techniques, strategies will help you to become more confident. Actually, I'm pretty sure that if you followed all the steps, you can already feel a huge change in your life. And this is what I wanted. This is what I really want. I will never forget the first letter I got from a happy customer. There is nothing better in this world when somebody writes a letter to you saying that your work really impacted their lives. And I really encourage you to do it. If you want to ask me about anything, if you want to share some of your thoughts with me, or you simply want to give me your feedback, it doesn't really matter. You can reach me, okay? I'm checking my emails. I'm always available if you have any questions. Perhaps you want some personalized advice. Perhaps you have a very specific situation and you are curious what advice I would give you. Reach out to me, leave some comments, and make sure to live with passion. Make sure to live with confidence. Every day you enter into any situation, remember about this course. Remember about the principles, because it's going to change your life. Well, thank you so much. And on the final note, I just feel like telling you this. I will be updating this course. It's not something that I created once and I'm gonna leave it like this. Whenever I come up with a new idea, whenever I stumble upon somebody who may change my perception, my perspective, I'm gonna share it with you. I'm gonna leave some comments. Perhaps I'm gonna make some new videos. Maybe they will not be as professional as this one, made in the professional studio. Maybe it will be a video from the beach or from the mountain. Maybe it will be a spontaneous video with my mobile phone. But I'm gonna share my journey with you. So expect to see many more videos in the future within this course. Thank you so much again. Live with passion, and it was a pleasure to work with you. All the best.